But Tim, what's an infection?
Well, kids, an infection is when a microorganism invades the body and damages body tissues as they multiply and spread. You see, kids, infectious microorganisms spread through the chain of infection. If you break the chain, you stop the spread of disease.
So, Tim, this would be considered bacteria?
Yes, exactly. The first link in the chain is the disease-causing microorganism, such as bacteria, that causes strep. You see, kids, this is an example of the spread of bacteria.
Ew, that's like so gross. But where does like the bacteria go? I mean, like, where does it go after somebody does that?
It goes to the reservoir, the second link on the chain. This is where the microorganism hangs out and thrives. It can be in your water, on a doorknob, spoiled food, or another person. The third link is the portal of exit. This is the place where the microorganism exits the reservoir, such as through droplets when a sick person sneezes, or any sort of fluid transfer.
I kind of get it, Tim, but how does it transmit like to the next person?
Well, it transmits through the mode of transmission. It passes from one person to the next. For example, if somebody sneezes, it goes on to the susceptible host. So kids, when the bacteria transmits, it needs a portal of entry. This is where the microorganism invades the body. In this case, the eyes, the nose, and through the mouth are all portals of entry. The last part in the chain of infection is the susceptible host. This is the person who is now at risk for developing the infection the most.
Oh, I get it now, Tim. It all makes sense about what an infection is. I guess we all just have to be a little more careful and make sure we wash our hands.
You see, kids, for an infection to develop, each link of the chain must be connected. Breaking any link of the chain can stop the transmission of infection. There are ways to do it, such as cleaning, antiseptics, disinfectant, and sterilization.